Hi everyone, it's Monika from Educk. Today I want to share 3 key tips to make your render look way better. Let's cover the fundamental components necessary for creating photorealistic visualizations. It's detailed models, proper natural and artificial lighting, advanced materials, correct scene composition, and post-production in V-Ray frame buffer. Now let's discuss what can really improve your renders. Here are my top 3 tips for making them stand out. Stick around for the end of this video for a bonus 4th tip. PBR materials. Using physically based rendering materials is essential for creating realistic textures. There are several websites where you can find both free and paid materials, such as textures.com, CCO Textures, Polygon, Polyhaven, and ReaWorld. When you download materials from these sites, you will receive a set of maps that you can use to create your materials. Here's an example. First, I upload a downloaded map and adjust its color using color correction. If you have an ambient occlusion map, you can blend it with the diffuse map using the Mix Operator option. I select Multiply as the operator. Adding ambient occlusion can enhance the effect, but sometimes the difference between using just the diffuse map and mixing it with ambient occlusion may not be very noticeable. Moving on to reflections, I increase the reflection color and upload a glossiness map for reflection glossiness. The reflections are visible, but the material is still flat. To enhance it, I upload another map from the folder. If you download PBR materials, you will find a purple map known as Normal Map. I will upload this to Bump tab, set the mode to normal, and adjust the intensity to soften its effect. To make it look better, I will add a displacement map for a 3D effect. Then I will adjust its intensity. Now the material looks great. With PBR materials, we will create a super realistic look with reflections and bumps. If you are not sure how to use PBR materials in V-Ray for SketchUp, subscribe to my channel. The next video will explain it all. Rounded edges. Sharp edges don't often occur naturally in the real world. That's why rounding edges is essential for achieving a more realistic effect. You can do it easily in 2 ways. The first method involves using the asset editor in V-Ray. Find the material settings for the objects you want to round. In the Bump tab and Texture slot, choose Edges and adjust its width parameter. Increasing the value results in a larger radius and more rounded edges, while decreasing it produces smaller rounded edges. Another way to round edges is in SketchUp. You can use either Round Corner or Freedo Corner for this, but I prefer Freedo Corner due to its additional features. Simply choose the edges you want to round, then set the offset value. After that, generate geometry, and you are all set. The only tricky part might be texture mapping. To solve this, show hidden geometry for easier material placement. Imperfections. Imperfections add realism. Look around you. Everything has scratches, stains, or dirt. To make your visualization real, add these imperfections. You can use maps for this, which you upload to Reflection Glossiness option or to Bump. You can easily find these maps on Google by searching for Imperfections map. Let's compare. Here's a coffee table with found imperfections, and here's one with stains. Which looks better? Sometimes the effect is too strong. In that case, use a mixed value map to soften it. Upload the imperfections map and blend it with a light gray color. Now the effect isn't too strong, and the final result is more realistic. Adding imperfections visibly enhances your visualizations. V-Ray for SketchUp course. Improve your visualization with my updated V-Ray for SketchUp course. It combines all my courses and introduces a new kitchen project. Throughout 85 lessons, you will work on 4 projects, mastering over 40 materials. From setting up lights to creating photorealistic materials and enhancing renders with post-production, you will learn it all. Don't miss out for the limited lower price for this course.